Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Let me welcome you to yet another amazing video on unboxing of the Oracle card deck. And today's card deck is Archangel Michael and Sword of Light Oracle by Radile Valentine. This is my personal second Archangel Michael Oracle deck. This particular deck is something which I would really wanted to have since quite some time, but I always believe that oracle decks do come to you at a divine timing. And I ordered this deck a few weeks ago. I ordered two of them. I ordered one for me, one for my sister, and it was time that I unboxed it. It has been taking some time for me to unbox it, and because I also wanted to create a video. So let's see what this deck is all about. I'm going to begin with unboxing of this deck. Let us start. So like every oracle deck, this comes with a small booklet. This is the cover. And what I like about the cover is there is Archangel Michael's sword, and behind there is a beautiful Metatron's cube, an image with which I connect really very well. So let's start with it. It's a 44 card deck. And here are the cards. Oops. This is how the image looks like. Every card has a meaning. And the first card which just flew off, I think it's very potent right now because the cards are just flying off. The card which just came up was you will manifest what you need. And I think this could be a message for anyone who is watching this video. And Archangel Michael is telling you to express gratitude as if your plans have already come to pass. Wow. Trust that your angels are bringing in all the assistance you might need. Every card has wonderful meaning, and I'm thoroughly enjoying just looking at this deck. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? Every card is simply beautiful. Wow. Let me pull another card for you, but before that, I just wanted to just open this and do it like a ritual. Unbox the deck. Wow, I think every card is amazing, and there is so much which I am, so much amazing energy which I am feeling with these cards. Amazing. Whereas the next card which I felt like sharing with all of you is open up to your spiritual gifts. Remember that your true nature is spiritual, not physical. The angels are sending you messages to guide your soul's growth. Whoever is watching this, it could be for you. And I think every card is very empowering. Every card has a sword image on it. So I think that makes it even more fun. Amazing. And it's time now to just shuffle and play around with the cards. So let's do that. Before that, I'm just opening the card and checking it and making sure that every card gets touched by my energy, because I always believe that the person who reads the cards, their energy is very important when it comes to doing the reading. So let me pull one last card for all of you who are watching. And I hope you get what you're looking for through this video. I think we are doing an unboxing video after really a long time. So I'm sure that you all must be enjoying this. And let's pull the card. So the message is trust the guidance you are receiving. Archangel Uriel has blessed you with a brilliant epiphany. I'm also present to clear away your worries so that you can trust the divine guidance. So I think this card is talking about having this magical support from the angelic realms, whether it is working with Archangel Uriel or whether it is working with Archangel Michael, the angels are with you. So amazing. I hope this video was fun for you. I'm going to slightly read a little bit from the guidebook and I'm going to share how the guidebook looks like. So, the guidebook has an index and an opening note where the author of the oracle deck talks about his journey and how this deck came into picture. And there is this beautiful channel message from Archangel Michael. And it's so wonderful. So I'm sure if you have this card deck, you must be really enjoying it. I'm just going to sit with the deck, meditate with it for some time, read the prayers, connect to the deck, and very soon I will offer a reading from this deck too. So if you're looking for a personalized reading, you can log on to our website and book an angel reading. Also below this video, I'm sharing the link of sharing of you to book an angel reading session with me. Please know that all tarot reading and angel reading sessions are now available on Zoom and only online. We are no longer taking in-person tarot and angel reading cards sessions. But if you are looking for an in-person session, do write to us on inbox.unicorninsight@gmail.com. And if you wish to book an online session on Zoom, please check on the link below, click on the link below in the description and book a session with me. And here is me sending you lots of magic, lots of love and light. This beautiful image of Archangel Michael and sending all of you lots of love, lots of magic. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye-bye.